Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where if I sound like I'm talking a bit loudly, it's because there's a bit of a heavy rain stroke storm thing going on outside. I don't really know if it will make it to this little microphone, but if I sound really loud, that's why, because I'm talking over the top of it. So today I'm going to be making a Kesar Murgh Indian chicken dish, which translated simply means saffron chicken, I think. And to start with, all I'm doing is I've got 3 tablespoons of ghee, and yeah, I've got the good stuff. It's getting easier and easier and easier to find nice ghee just in our big supermarkets. So I'm just melting that down at the moment. So once our ghee gets up to temperature there, just going to add a few more ingredients to that. I've got 1 whole onion, just sort of roughly chopped. I've got 4 cloves of garlic that I've grated. I've got 2 red chilies that I've just sliced. And I've got a big knob of ginger that I've just grated. And we'll just give that a bit of a fry up in that ghee. Now I've got some saffron that I've just been soaking in some boiling water. I'll just show you that process quickly. So what I've got here is just about 1/4 of a teaspoon of saffron. Don't know if you can hear that light thunder. Saffron strands, which may not seem like a lot, but a little bit of this goes a long way. And just by the way, a 250 microgram little serve of this, packet of this, cost me more than my 1.5 kilograms of chicken. So just as well, a little bit goes a long way. So what I'm going to do with that is I've got another little tiny bowl there. Now I'm just going to sort of get my saffron in my fingers and just sort of scrunch it up. It's fairly dry, so I'm just sort of breaking it into smaller pieces like so. Hopefully that's focusing enough that you can see it. Then I'm just going to get some hot water. And just let those steep in that hot water for a while. And that's what I'm going to add now to my ghee and onion, chili, ginger and garlic. And now my chicken, and I've got about, I think it's about 1.2, 1.3 kgs of chicken pieces, bone in, and I've sort of just cut those into fairly large chunks. So I'll whack them in. And I've taken most of the skin off them as well, and at this stage we'll turn the heat up. Alrighty, once that's been sauteing there just for 4 or 5 minutes, and the chicken's starting to get a nice golden colour. I've been stirring it around. They're coating it in that saffron. All I'm going to do now is give it a good seasoning with some salt. Turn it down again a little bit. And I'm just going to whack a lid on that and just leave it for another 7 or 8 minutes. Alrighty guys, So that's been simmering away now for, yeah, about 7 or 8 minutes. I'm now going to take the lid off, give it another stir, and this time I'm going to leave the lid off, let it go a little bit longer on that medium heat, and just let a fair bit of that liquid evaporate that's in there. Alrighty guys, it's about 20-25 minutes later. As I said, I've been reducing that liquid. It's definitely not completely reduced, as you can see, but I'm really happy with that the way it is, and I'm prepared to yeah, serve some up. Alrighty guys, so as you saw, I just served up some of my Kesar Murgh. All I'm having it with, it's just a bit of naan bread. Ages ago I did a video on making simple naan bread, but yeah, serve it with rice, whatever you want. All I really want to do is try the chicken, so I'll just as you can see, we've got the beautiful colour and everything on it. Just give it a taste. Oh my goodness. That is really yummy, guys. Oh man, I hope you try that. You saw how easy that is. It's just so yummy. And it's a different sort of Indian dish. There's not millions of spices and lots of heat in the spiciness. You can taste a little bit with those chilies, but it's nothing outrageous. It's just a beautiful, fragrant, very rich sort of taste, I think, from that ghee. It's really good. I really hope you try this one. I already said that, but yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. You guys are rock stars. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not get on the bandwagon? Well, it's not really a bandwagon. It's a bit of a slow train to nowhere, but yeah, jump on board anyway. We'll see where we end up. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.